Have you ever wondered how artists create such beautiful, vibrant artworks in alcohol marker? Hi, my name is Lindsay Weirich and I've been using alcohol-based markers for over 10 years, and let me tell you, I think they have the steepest learning curve. But during that time, I've developed a lot of tips, tricks, and techniques to make the work go a lot faster and come out a lot better, and I'd love to teach you all about it in my new class, Alcohol Marker Workshop. In this course, we will go over the basics from what supplies to buy to how to lay down the markers to get the best results. I'll teach you about color theory and what colors will work well together. I'll teach you about values and how to create more depth and realism in your art. And then finally, we are going to create 5 paintings together. And by the end of this course, you will have the confidence you need to tackle whatever alcohol marker projects you have going. I will show you how to draw the subjects that we're going to do for our tutorials, but I also have printable patterns that you can print off right on your marker paper and get started with, so you don't have to draw if you don't want to. I want this class to be useful for everyone, whether you're an illustrator, an artist, or an adult coloring book enthusiast or rubber stamper. There is something for everyone in this course. I hope you join me for Alcohol Marker Workshop. Click the link below to learn more or to enroll today.